This is real. Just letting you know. For you, baby girl. This is always forever. I wanna know if you be there for me. I wanna know if you always ride for me. If you be my wife, if you be my eyes, you already are my bride to be. Baby, you my everything, my one and only. Just promise you'll never, ever, ever, ever hurt me. Even if you ever do, you gotta fucking hurt me, dude. I know it's too soon to say I love you, but I gotta stop my feelings, cause I really do. Not gonna lie, you got a nigga strong. I love you so much, so I don't give a fuck. Any nigga fuck you, I fucking never love. I wanna be by your side forever. If you try to leave me, I promise I won't let you. I fell in love with you from the first day I met you. You're my best friend and my girl. In my eyes, you are my world. My nigga. Yeah, tell these girls how we really feel, my nigga. Cause you have to see you there. I love you so much, and if I move, I'm gonna cry. I can't stand it, man. This isn't like I planned it. I can't stand the feelings they hurting. My heart is racing and it's pacing. You know, I don't wanna be here, but I love you so much. I wanna be with you always and forever. You're in my heart, you own it, and we all together. You know, girl, I love you so much. I don't know what to do. I cry every night. Knowing that you ain't hearing me, I wanna cuddle. Oh man, you know, I just wanna snuggle. I wanna hold you so tight, kiss you on the lips, hold you all night, sleeping in the bed all day. Man, I just wanna be with you. You hear what I say? Check it, you are my girl, you are my world. You won't be, never ever let you go. I want you to be by myself from day to night, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you know how I do. I'm your man, and yes, you are my boo. I'll never leave you. I'll put that on my set. I'll put that on my money, cause yes, I fucking bet. Yeah. You are my girl, you about to be my wifey, you about to be my wifey. I'm about to check you out, I'm about to marry you. I'm about to get on my knees and propose to you. I'm about to make you sit a 50 girl. I'ma never cheat on you, never hurt you, girl. Just check it, it's your man forever. It's savage on the fucking trap, dude.